Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be review of one of my most favorite places to shop from, and that is Miniso. And here are the three products. This one is one eyeliner, crush one eyeliner, and so let's start off with this. It is taped from both the ends. So yeah, just one thing I wanted to tell about this eyeliner, that it mentions that it dries up within seconds and gives an intense color payoff. So let's see. And it is also claiming to be water resistant and smudge proof. I'd actually tried the sample one in the store. This is the first time I am trying this one. So yeah, so this is how it draws. It is actually very intense. It's completely black, and you can also draw shapes with it, and you can also thicken it. The amount of thickness you can decide it for yourself by using the brush in the appropriate way, and it is of 150 rupees. Now this is the second product, nail polish remover, and it's strawberry fragrance something, and contains vitamin E and aloe vera. So that is why I had not removed my nail polish. I wanted to do it in front of you guys, and it is smelling like strawberries, nothing like the thinner, which actually is not very comfortable to smell. And okay, with a lot of effort, okay, not a lot of, but a bit of effort, you can completely remove the nail polish, and there is no residual on your nails, so which is a good sign. So it is of 60 rupees. And now the third product is Pitura nail polish, and its price is rupees 90. I'm just applying one coat of it each, and I'll just show you how it looks on my entire hand. So let me quickly go and color all the fingers with it. So yeah, this is how it looks, and it has dried up very quickly like the eyeliner. So like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.